Hi Sonia, can I ask your opinion about something?
Sir Christian, what do you want to talk about?
It's about asking handphone at school. What do you think about student bring and asking handphone at school?
In my opinion, bringing handphones to school can be useful, but it also depends on how students use them. What about you?
I think the same. I believe handphone can help students learn explains when they need to search for information on the internet.
That's true. For example, when teachers ask us to find additional material, we can quickly look it up using our phones.
Yes, actually, but some teachers say that handphone can distract students during lesson. Do you agree with that?
Yes, I do agree. Sometimes students use their phones to play games of open media social instead of paying attention to the teacher.
That's a good point. In my opinion, the problem is not the handphone itself, but how students use it.
I agree with you. If students are responsible, handphones can actually support the learning process.
Do you think school should allow students to use handphone in class?
I think schools should allow, but with certain rules. For example, students can only use handphones when the teacher allows them.
That sounds like a good solution. It can prevent students from asking the phones for things.
Yes, exactly. Also, teachers can guide students to use technology wisely.
I also think handphone can help communication. For example, if 3 is an emergency, student a quick contacts their parents.
That's another good reason. In my opinion, handphones are part of modern life, so students should learn how to use them properly.
I completely agree. Instead of banning handphone, school should teach students how to ask the responsibility.
Yes, because technology will always be part of our future. Learning to use it wisely is very important.
So, we both agree that handphone can be useful at school if students follow the rules and ask them for learning.
Exactly. The key is discipline and responsibility.
Thank you for sharing your opinion, Sonia. It was interesting to hear your thoughts.
I also enjoyed discussing this topic with you.
Maybe we can talk about another topic next time.
Sure, I'd like that.
Before we finish, do you think handphone can also help students work together?
Yes, I think so. Students can use messaging apps to discuss homework or share information with their classmates.
That's true. Sometimes group experiments because easier because we can communicate quickly.
Exactly. We can also share pictures of notes or learning material with friends who are absent.
I did think about that before. I can really help students who miss class.
Yes, technology can make learning more flexible and accessible.
However, students still need to balance technology as and focus in class.
I agree. If students use their phones too often, it may reduce their concentration.
So discipline from students is very important.
Yes, and teachers also play an important role in setting clear rules.
Maybe school could create special time when students are alone to ask their phone for learning.
That's great idea. It can help students use technology in a more organized way.
I hope school will consider this idea in the future.
Me too. Education should always adapt the technology developments.
Thank you again for the discussion, Sonia. I learned a lot from your opinion.
Same here. Christine, it was a very interesting conversation.
Okay, Sonia, thank you.
Thank you.